astronomy is just pure exploration. We don't really know how our own solar system formed, and by studying solar systems around other stars, we can hopefully learn how we came into being.
It's one of these crazy things about scientific research. Of course, until you've done it, you don't know what it is you're going to find. Just very soon after the first telescope was invented, Galileo got a hold of one, and he looked out in the sky, and he saw Jupiter, and he could see it much more sharply than you can see with the naked eye. And what did he see? He saw the planet there, but then he saw, going around it, 4 moons, all going around in different orbits around Jupiter. So he could see an exact model of what would explain perfectly the whole solar system and that the Earth was going around the sun. And after he'd seen that, he knew that that had to be the correct answer. So telescopes were incredibly productive just in the first few years.
There's just a whole lot you can do with a telescope this size. One of the biggest challenges we have in astronomy is searching for planetary systems besides our own. I use this telescope in the infrared to take pictures of the heat that stars and planets and other objects in the sky are giving off. I got this last night. And so one of the biggest challenges is to try to see a very faint planet close to a very bright star.
That's a good one.
And that's something I'm very excited about. If you can find not just one planet around another star, but systems of planets, then you can start comparing them to our own and try to understand how ours formed and where it's going. Are we typical, or are we very unique in the universe? And it really is a lot of exploration and a lot of daydreaming that you can do. But you have to use a lot of mathematics to interpret what the telescope is telling you, to measure temperatures, to measure the chemical composition of the objects and how they're moving and spinning. And it's just a lot of fun.
In some sense, things are very similar today, but they were at the same time that Galileo made a telescope. And it's time now to take the next big step.